This is Leukoplast coverall stretch, 10 centimeters by 9.2 meters, or 4 inches by 10 yards. This is what the roll looks like. And the first step is to measure around your erection and see how many lines that this takes up. And you want a little bit of an overlap. So in this case, it would be 2 of these large blue lines and 1, 2, 3 of these squares. So that's what you would take. You'd cut that off. Once you have your piece, you're going to peel one off. And you're going to cut a couple of strips about 2 squares wide. And you're going to cut each of these 2 strips into 3 strips. Okay, and take the first 3 strips, place them about 1 square width on the edge. That. Then you're going to peel off the other piece away from you, because otherwise it might stick together. Then you're going to take the other 3 strips and put them on here, about 1 square each. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. And then you're going to take it and fold it over on top. And then press it together. And then fold this back. And that's your T-tape. Then to apply it, you take off the 2 middle sections like that. And then you apply it like that first. And this could be your scar line, above or below the scar line, depending on when you pull the skin, which one gives it equal tension on both sides. So that's the point of equilibrium. That's where you're going to be attaching it. So this first you'd attach the middle section to the erection. Then you take off one end and wrap it. And then you take off the other end and wrap it, and there should be a little overlap. And this is the part that is going to be attached to a strap. And then the strap goes onto your waistband, around your waist.